Hello RV adventurers. Today we're going to take you on a tour of the Liberty model and show you the features that it has that's different from the one you saw before, the Independence. So come along with us. Let's take a close look at the Liberty. Let's go inside. When you first come in the Liberty Deluxe, like most of the models, there are bathrooms in here and a closet is in here. We'll take a close look at that. Okay, the closet comes with a clothes hanger and a little bit of storage space in the bottom down there where you can keep some supplies and things. And the door has a basket on it for you to store some things. So nice little closet there. Let's take a look in the bathroom. You have a towel bar. And let's step in here. Vent fans up here to raise it and turn it on. Shower wand for showering. And the Casita trailers look like now they come with these little pockets, so it's like a pocket, so you can actually put things in here and not bounce around and fall out while you're going down the road. A little standard faucet here. A little sink. The sink has a little storage compartment on the side where you can keep stuff in there. It's waterproof, and then a little waterproof container here where you can store stuff in there. And the shower basin here, you have a standard Thetford toilet with a flush valve in the front. A little vent window here, frosted with a screen. There we go. A light here. And a shower curtain. A little basket comes with it there for storing things. Alright. And a shower curtain so you can shower up. Alright, very good. Okay. One important note here, all of the Casita models can be ordered in the standard configuration, which removes the front closet and bathroom and puts bunk beds in the front. Here's a picture of how that looks. Let's look at the kitchen. You got a 3-burner stove, comes standard with it. Kitchen drawers. Nice deep drawer there. Deep drawer here. Got storage under the bottom here. A little bit of storage in there. And then the furnace right here. You got a little compartment here where you can drop washcloths or other things in there in front of your sink. Nice sink, hot, cold water here. Water pump switch to turn your water pump off and on. A little cabinet here. That's great for maybe spices and other little things. You put some racks in there or little containers. Dishwashing detergent. A light. You have over the top storage. Oh, here's owner's manuals and things. But nice storage in here for your plates, pots, pans, whatever you want to put up there. And storage over here. The same way. And of course the vent hood has a light and fan. Alright. Now, let's look at the storage over here. This model, they didn't get the optional microwave, which normally would fit in here. They're going to use it, whoever's buying this one's going to use it as a pantry, the way we use ours. And nice space in there for carrying your food and things with you. And then you have an overhead compartment up here. A little nice space there for storing things. Now let's take a look at the refrigerator. You have your cold control here, 1 to 5. You just press that button to raise it. A little check light, if something isn't working right, it'll come on. On and off switch, DC, AC, auto, and gas. It's a 3-way refrigerator. Runs on any one of those power sources. So inside, you have your adjustable drawers that come out. You can lift them out for cleaning, and you can put them down further if you want to. Freezer compartment is in here to take some frozen things with you. You got a cutout there where you could carry a milk jug or other tall jug of something. A couple shelves there. Nice refrigerator. Okay, this is the layout of the back of the Liberty Deluxe. You have a bench seat all the way down both sides. Your dining table is here on 2 poles. It's removable. The table goes down and sits on this bulkhead in this little groove here, and it makes a double bed. And then you have another table here that goes in this hole for front dining. So if you chose to leave your bed made up in the back, then this table could be used for your dining table for these front cushions, and from here back would be a double bed. If you want to make a king bed, they have this piece and another piece that goes here, and then the cushions are rearranged and the whole back end becomes a king size bed if you want to do it that way. Alright, let's look at the storage. Overhead storage in the bulkheads. I have storage there, storage there. Alright, you go, it goes through, goes all the way to the back. You got a large compartment in the back here. And you have the same compartments on this side over here. Alright. And you got lights underneath all the bulkheads here to light up all your sitting areas. We see this one is made TV ready. It has the TV mount bracket. Electric plug here. There's a 12-volt outlet here, and there's just the TV mounting bracket there. There's no cable connection. If you get it cable ready, there's a cable connection that comes right back here and goes out to the other side for you to hook up your cable TV if you want that cable connection. All of the windows open, and they have screens. This one slides because this is the emergency exit window. The other ones, the screens are fixed, but they all open for ventilation. Plenty of good ventilation in here. All right. Okay, underneath the seats, you have some storage. Limited because there is a tire well there, but there is some storage down in there that you can get to. Here's the electrical transfer box that converts all of your AC to 12 volt. You have a CO2 alarm here. You have a water heater switch there with a light, indicator light, and I like that. You have a access door here that accesses your water pump. Down there you can access that, and there's a top cover there where you can kind of see the battery, and the hot water heater is in this space right in here, and your compartment where you put your electric cord. On this side you have storage here. Again, you have the window well, but there is some space to store things down in there. And there's an access there to get kind of in the back, but the water tank is in the back, so it takes up a lot of that space back there. Okay, up here you have your AC with strip heat. It's a nice air conditioning unit. It has heat and cool. Okay, the air's here. Over here you have your fantastic fan. It comes with a remote, so so it can open and close automatically. You can set a temperature, or you can open it manually with a little handle there if you need to. You can turn it off and on, and it will open automatically when you turn it on. Nice little fan, and I'll turn it back off, and it closes automatically. Provides great ventilation for the trailer. Okay, here's your thermostat for your furnace. Simply warmer, colder, off. And this is a vent for the inside compartment if it had a microwave in it. But that controls your furnace down here. One thing I do want to point out as we're looking down is the vinyl flooring has kind of a texture to it to help hide dirt. That's a new, different vinyl flooring than they've been using. Just wanted you to see that up close. The optional range cover is not here, so whoever got this one didn't want the range cover. Also, you can get a sink cover. It's not here. And then I want to show you the width, the space you have here. From edge to edge is 28 inches. From here to here is 28 inches wide. So there's plenty of room for people to sit here and move around. Okay, hope you enjoyed that tour. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Now, next Sunday, we're going to have a tour of the Spirit model. So stay tuned for that. We're going to end this by showing you some snapshots of the interior. And then after those, we're going to show you some preview shots of the new gray wood interior that Casita is going to be putting in their trailers beginning in March. So stay tuned for that. See you next time.